everyone, it's me, Karen Frost and Nail Decadence, coming back to you with another video. Woohoo! This is another one of my old videos that I've had sitting in the computer for way too long. I finally edited and, did what I needed to do, so now I'm doing the voiceover, and seeing as we are all in quarantine these days from that old coronavirus, I thought I'd try and get some more content out for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You will see me making a right mess of these nails. I totally just did a terrible job. My application, I'll apologise right now, my acrylic application in this video is absolutely atrocious, and I totally lose the shape of the nails. They're going to look huge, they're going to look bulky, but I do manage to sort it out whilst filing. Of course, you shouldn't rely on your file to sort out issues. You should always apply your acrylic like you don't have a file, but in this case I was having one of those days and everything just went wrong really, and it just wasn't going right. So watch me fight with this acrylic, and in the end they look beautiful, but yes, they do look terrible before they look beautiful. Anywho, whilst I've been rambling, you have seen me apply some nail bed colour. God, I forgot what it's called then. Total brain fart. Yes, you saw me apply the nail bed colour and made it into a sort of, well, it's not really a full nail bed, it's like a side nail bed shape, like an egg on the side. I don't know, it's a shape, it's a colour block shape with the nail bed colour. That's all you need to know. You can see it. And then on the index finger I'm doing an ombre between this bright green and this lovely yellow, and yeah, trying to get that ombre to ombre basically. So in with a bit of yellow, in with a bit of green, in with a bit of yellow, in with a bit of green. Trying to get it to do what I want it to. And once I'm happy with that blend, I will apply some glitter. Now, excuse me, as usual, I have mixed these acrylic colours myself with mica powders, so yeah, I can't offer any recommendations on where to buy them. There are many manufacturers, and I can't remember where I got this glitter from either, because this video is so old. But yeah, I just wanted to give another video out. I think this is why I hadn't posted this video a while back, is because it's a bit of a mess of a video. Anyway, I'm doing a marble on this nail, and as you can see, I'm placing teeny tiny little beads of very wet acrylic onto the nail, and then using my brush to swoop up and down and swirl them a bit. I am making a bit of a mess, but like I said in the beginning, my application in this video is awful, but we get there in the end. The end result is quite pleasing. So I shall continue adding these teeny tiny little beads, and you can just change up the order of the colours as well to get your different swirls going to make up your marble. And whilst the acrylic is still wet, I'm just using my brush to pick up some of that glitter and apply it, and then I think I tapped into some acrylic powder there and then applied it on, because it looked a bit like it was drying up there. So yeah, I used a bit of clear acrylic to apply the rest of it, but whilst it was still wet I did tap some on with just my brush, with just one more on it. So I've finished with that now, and it's on to the little finger. I'm applying the yellow first. I'm doing another ombre, so I'm applying but I'm doing it the opposite way to the other one. So on the index finger it was green at the tip, and yellow at the cuticle area. This time I'm doing yellow at the tip and green at the cuticle area, and this nail ends up super bulky. You can already see I've lost the shape already. Look at the sides. It's just getting wider and wider and wider. Good grief, I don't know why I made such a mess of this nail, but yeah, this was probably the worst nail. Anyway, I'm ombreing. I'm doing another ombre. Why not? It bugs me so bad, like when I'm watching this, seeing how the sidewalls are just getting wider and wider. It's like it's triggering. It's totally triggering. Please forgive me, viewers, don't kill me. I was having an off day, as one tends to have every so often. Yes, I'll just go in with tiny beads and get that ombre blend as good as I can get it, and then a little glitter trail down a nail, across the nail, down to the tip, and yeah, tiny bit of a clear acrylic to get those to stick into place before I cap. Once I'm happy, I'll leave that, and now I will go back to that index finger and cap that. So applying the clear acrylic and trying to get that cuticle area nice and neat, and to make sure my glitter is all covered. As usual, make sure your glitter goes frosted, like it loses its shine, then you know that your glitter is completely encased in the clear acrylic, so you know it's safe. That way hopefully you won't fry any of it off. I'll cap this nail as well. Just work that bead down, feather it down, apply another bead, feather that back up into the previous bead, and then bring the rest of it down towards the tip and get that all nicely encased. Gentle pats, pat and pull very gently. That one's finished capping, and oh no, oh, I'm adding a bit more to the tip apparently. Oh, wasn't happy with that for some reason. So yeah, on to the little finger, and I will apply some clear acrylic on that. Oh look, no, I'm going back to the middle finger. I'm still not happy with it. I must have seen the dip in the nail, so I added a bit more clear. Now I'm going to cap the little finger, aren't I? Yes I am, yes! So cap that little finger and watch it grow thicker and thicker and thicker, and it's distressing me so bad. I'm like, what are you doing, Karen? Why are the sides so wide? What did you do? That is so not streamlined. I like it. Oh, it's getting wider. Oh, I don't even want to watch myself. Apologies if this is triggering for you too. Oh dear. We won't have to look at it for much longer, thank goodness. So we'll file them whilst I'm waiting for the... See, I'll file this in, and then I'll apply my next, the colour block that is, and then I'll apply my next colour, and I think it's after that, whilst I'm waiting for that to dry, that I filed the other nails, because I can't take looking at the bulkiness. So around that nail bed colour, to get that line nice and sharp right the way around. Remember just not to push down, just only against the wall. Some of my nail guard started to roll up, because I've got nail guards on this that I can peel the nails off, and it's like sticky stuff. So yeah, that was what I was faffing with there, was the nail guard. So I'm using the green to make a line around that nail bed colour. Use my brush to swoop it around make sure it's butted right up against that wall that we built and filed in, so we get a nice sharp line. Well, it's a rounded line, but it's a line all the same, all the way to the other side. Make sure, butt it up, and use your brush to get it as into the shape that you want as much as possible. Then there's less filing to do when it comes to refining that wall to sharpen it up again for the next colour. Oh, adding some more there. Obviously wanted it to be a thicker liner. Wasn't happy with it being so thin, so yeah. But when you're doing this, you've got to make sure your beads aren't too wet. You don't want it running everywhere, you want it to sit in place, but you also want it to be able to blend into the previous bead as well. There we go. So I have filed the other nails off camera because the bulkiness was doing my Sweden, and applied the yellow and filed that in, and now I'm applying the white acrylic all the way around. So it's following the same following the same shape that I've been doing. Just make sure I get right the way around the side and I don't miss any bits. Again, this nail is going to look extremely bulky, but that's what happens when you do colour blocking sometimes, because you have to file it in to get the nice clean sharp lines. So you've got to build those walls up a bit higher so that you've got room to file them in, file down to reveal those gorgeous sharp lines. It'll be worth it in the end. Sorry, I'm off camera. Ugh, so annoying. I will come back onto camera soon. So that has hardened and I'm going to file that in, and this footage was okay, so I left it in. And that's all I do, just whiz round with my hand file, just sharpen up that wall, and then I will finish applying the acrylic to that rest of that nail, which will be glitter. I'm going to do a clear tip on this finger, or fingernail. Once we've finished faffing, getting the shape right. Yeah, brush the dust off. There we go. So I've used a bit of clear acrylic to pick up the glitter and apply it to the tip of the nail. It's got quite big shapes in it, like this star. It's quite big, and that star actually glows in the dark. It's really cool. There's a few bits in this mix that glow in the dark. Can't remember what one it was though for the life of me. It's a nice mix. It's pretty cool. Those bits glow. The little stars glow. So another tiny bead of clear acrylic to pick up a little bit more glitter. Add that on. A little bit more needed around the side of that side of the nail. So again, add that on. Just moving my brush around to get the pieces where I want them, and then I'll cap that. Protect those lovely glitters. There we go. That was quite a wet bead that I used there, so a bit of a faff, but I'll get there. I check the nail from the other angle and make sure I've got enough on the tip and stuff. It looked a bit low, so I added a bit more. There we go. I think I'm done. Yes. I'm just going to show you the excuse me, the filing of the colour block. The reveal. It's not the greatest shot because my hands are in the way, but you can see that I'm using my e-file and just filing into that. Ah, look, see? Filing into the colour block and revealing those beautiful lines. It's a pretty cool nail. I have to try it again with some different colours, I think. And just debulking the rest of the nail with my e-file. And then I'll refine with my hand file. And then it will be time to top coat these bad boys. Time to make them shine. Oh yeah, top coat time. But now that I've finished that epic filing battle, yeah, it was epic. But they look really nice now. Much better shape now. No more bulky, wide nails. Oh, I love this nail. I really do. The clean, crisp lines, the glitter tip. I really like that nail. It's my favourite. Just bring it to life and make it shine. Oh. Favourite part of every set. Make it shine. Oh, well, sometimes you make them matte, but this set is, yeah, it needed to be shiny. Yeah, police are after someone. Everyone's supposed to be in quarantine, so where they're going, I don't know. Well, we're coming to the end of the video now, so I will let you all go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Click the like button if you liked the video, and leave me a comment if you want to say hi and, you know, say something. Anything. I'll try and comment back. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Take care, peeps, and I will speak to you all again soon. Bye for now.
Show my love for you, show my love for you. Show my love for you, show my love for you. Taking the chance, stuck in my head.